Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Today I will let you know about Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Scholarship. तो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा आप Erasmus Mundus Scholarship पे कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, what documents you require for this scholarship, आपको कौन कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाहिए, what the deadline of this scholarship, इसकी डेडलाइन क्या होगी, और नेक्स्ट इसमें होगा आपका इसमें आपको स्टाइपेंड कितना मिलेगा, अकोमोडेशन वगैरह इंक्लूड है कि नहीं, ठीक है। तो इस सब के बारे में मैं आज आपको गाइड करूँगा। One of the best advantage benefit of this scholarship, at least you can study 2 or 3 countries, even 2 3 countries universities. Like if you got admission in this Erasmus Mundus scholarship, you can visit 3 countries in any Europeans or any Erasmus Mundus scholarship countries. Like they have many countries. Like I will tell you, Belgium, Greece, Lithuania, Portugal, Hungary, France, Denmark, Malta, Italy, Latvia, Austria. So there is many countries included in this scholarship. Like if you got admissions for a masters, you will visit 2 or 3 countries and you will get double degrees. सबसे पहले मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ हिंदी और उर्दू में। अगर आपका एडमिशन इसमें मास्टर में हो जाए तो आपको 2 से 3 कंट्रीज़ की यूनिवर्सिटी में स्टडी करनी पड़ेगी। और जब आपकी 2 से 3 कंट्रीज़ में 1 सेमेस्टर और 2 सेमेस्टर स्टडी होगी और इसका टोटल ड्यूरेशन 2 इयर्स है, तो इसमें सबसे बेनिफिट है आप 3 कंट्रीज़ का विजिट कर सकते हैं। इसमें कौन कौन से कंट्रीज़ इंक्लूड है, इसमें ये कंट्रीज़ इंक्लूड है लाइक स्पेन, ग्रीस, फ्रांस, इटली, माल्टा, फिनलैंड, स्वीडन, Cyprus, Austria, Poland. So there is many country, even some non-European countries also included in this scholarship. Like Turkey, they also have some programs like for 1 semester, for 2 semester. So that's a big benefit of this scholarship. And the next one is what the scholarship you will get from this one. So what first one is there is no tuition fees. Like you will get free tuitions, and next one you will get free tuitions plus monthly allowance. Like some cases, more cases, you will get 1,000 euro per month. And the next one is traveling allowance. You will get, like if you want to travel from Pakistan to any European countries like France, Germany, Italy, you will get air tickets from Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, like all countries included in this scholarship, especially third world countries, and the next one is you will get conference trips and medical coverage in this scholarship. And the plus next one is duration of this one is 1 to 2 years, is almost 24 months. So it's included 60, 90 and 120 ECT credits. Okay. And the next types of awards, I already told you, you will get double degree. Like if you got admissions for this scholarship, like you selected 2 countries like UK and Italy, or UK and France, then you will get 1 years in UK, 1 years in France or Italy. Okay. And then you will get 2 degrees from 2 different institutes. So that is the degree that is basically acceptable anywhere in the world. Okay. And another benefit of this scholarship, you will get you can travel more than 3 countries for study, and even you can get visa for 1 countries. You can travel all over the world, like all European countries you can visit, you can travel on that visa. And the most important thing, you can study there in European countries. You can cultures, you can explore different cultures. Like if you can visit France, Italy, Germany, any other countries, you can explore their local cultures, and you can visit every place there. So that is the plus benefits. And there is almost more than 190 programs available on this scholarship, master and PhD. But today I will focus on only masters, because no admission, mostly universities programs, they started admissions on this scholarship. So today I will let you know about different programs available, and about documents. So next one is I will tell you about what programs included on this scholarship. First of all, I will tell you about stipend, how much stipend you will get. You will get almost 1,000 euro, 1,000 euro per month for each scholarship included for masters. So there is 24 months you will get this scholarship. Okay, so there is all I already told you. They will give you two installments, and this one is for another program like human rights. So there is almost this scholarship is available for 24 months, like air tickets, accommodation, your university fees, your traveling allowance, your conference. If you want to travel for a conference, you will get this money. So there is already told you eligible countries and which country you will get scholarship for this. Okay, and next one I will tell you about different programs. So what programs they have, I will tell you. So currently they have opened almost 193 Erasmus Mundus programs. So you will get double degree. Like I can open like this one. This one is European Masters in Tourism, and they have different like manufacturing, human diseases, Erasmus Mundus Master in Biomedical Engineering. Like in this scholarship you can apply even you are from engineering background, you are from economics background, you are from arts background, you are from science background, even you are from medical background, you can apply for this scholarship. But most important thing is you need to check that each subject have different requirements. Like some subject require IELTS, TOEFL and GRE, but some subject they require only English proficiency letter. I know some of my friends, they already applied in last years and they got admissions there and know they are enjoying there. So next one I will tell you about any fields I can open. Like I will open this one. So basically they write it everything about like this programs. Like I told you, this program like biomedical engineering, there is 3 countries included in this scholarship. If you got admission, you can visit 3 countries. So which country you will visit? They have like Greece and Romania. Okay, 2 countries on this scholarship, and the third one is they didn't mention here, but they mentions about 3 world's country. Like okay, Greece. So you can apply their websites, you can get more details from their websites also. Like this one is Romania, and here is third countries. Okay, they did yes, here Serbia. So third country is Serbia. Even you can apply for, like I am applying for these programs. Like I will open any programs, they have different, like this program is available in 4 countries like France, Germany, Italy, Poland. This one is also 3 countries. So this one is basically you get double degrees. Even you are studying for 2 years, but you will get 2 degrees. Like this program's environmental science is available in United Kingdom, Greece, Sweden, Austria. And this one specially you see sustainable development is available in 6 countries like France, Spain, Netherlands, Portugal, Sweden. Like these 6 countries included on this scholarship. So that is the plus benefit. Now I will tell you about what documents required for Erasmus scholarship. Okay. Now I will tell you about what documents required. Like you need your, even you applying for master degree, you need bachelor's and bachelor transcript and bachelor degree. And the next one you need plus proposal, but most of the programs they requires proposal, but there is not too heavy restriction, like DOT scholarship, like you are applying for Australia or other countries, they have strong requirements. So this scholarship you require only simple proposals. And the next one is like IELTS, TOEFL, GRE. IELTS, TOEFL, GRE depends upon your program requirements. Mostly programs they don't require IELTS. Mostly they require GRE. If you have GRE, there is a strong point for your application. You will get admission, more chances. But if you don't have GRE, don't worry about it. You can just apply an English proficiency letter according to your course requirements. Okay. And the next one is your recommendation letters. So recommendation letter you can get from your previous institutes, like English proficiency letter you can get from previous institutes. And the next one, there is no bank statement you requires on this scholarship. Like you requires for DOT scholarship, you can apply, you requires bank statements, economical proof. For this scholarship, you don't need it. And the next one is no work experience. Like DOT scholarship, you need 2 years experience. For this scholarship, you don't need 2 years, 3 years, 4 year experience. If you just graduated from bachelor's or master, you can apply on this scholarship. And the next one is there is no age restrictions. Like in China, Japan, and even some European countries, they have some age restrictions. Like for China, for master 35 years, and for PhD is 40 years. For this scholarship, even you are 45, 50, you can apply on this master scholarship. So that is the plus points, and there is not CGPA requirements. Even I know some friends, they got 2.5 in their bachelor degree and they successfully got admissions because they had do some courses. Maybe they have some arts exam, and they have their proposal is strong. So you need to make your profile strong in your CV. So that is the plus points. So this scholarship is really prestigious. Okay, so you can try for this scholarship and apply here. If you feel any difficulty, any problem on the applying this scholarship, you can let me know. I will try to resolve your problems. I will give you some suggestions. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channels. So thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Tell you about eligible countries. There is almost whole, all over the world countries can apply, but basically this scholarship is offered to third world countries like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Iran, and there is many countries, third world countries, like even more country included in the scholarship from African countries. Okay, so you will apply for this scholarship. It's very easy. You don't need too much documents for this scholarship.